All right.
Fam?
What up, fam? So on this season finale, we have Angela. So I was just talking to her about being my season finale lucky charm.
Oh, you know.
Because she miraculously shows up on the season finale.
Just here for that push. I'm just here like the motivation.
I need to like trick her into thinking that every episode's a season finale.
No, you don't need to trick. I'll work out. I'm down to toss around iron and weights and sweat any day of the week, anytime.
All right, so today's training is super simple but intense, right? I like simple but intense. So we're doing German volume training, 10 by 10, 1 minute rest in between. We're gonna start off with the dumbbell front squats and the dumbbell flat bench. And then if we don't die, we're gonna do
No, we're gonna do both. We're gonna do all four.
All four. Then we're gonna do the posterior chain, which is gonna be some hamstring work.
Posterior. There it is.
And then some pulls, right?
Yeah, pull.
Ready?
Okay.
All right, we're not gonna do too much talking.
Bye.
More action, all right? Check you on the next.
We just did, are you recording me right now? We did 100 reps of 4 exercises. Not very good at math. That's 400 reps. I'm good. That was good. I'm done. But that was good.
All right, grips, toast, legs.
I can't even fully extend my hands right now. My forearms. Look at that. Look at that vascularity. I don't know if you can.
Wait, we gotta.
Can you see it? Look at that.
There you go.
What is that? Yeah, buddy.
Boom. Yo, it's crazy. Everything is going to be down below. Super simple, but it is intense. All right.
Do we need to demo it?
No, I ain't even trying to demo. Like
you can figure it out. It's basic movements: squat, chest press, lat pull down,
and
deadlifts. It's fine.
Yep, that's it. That's all you need to know. All right. Everything's down below. Get after it. All right. So we are. I'm talking to Mike here, and we are basically in the season finale. So we have something very special planned for season 3, and so podcast. Like season 3 is going to be the season where I establish this podcast. I have multiple goals for season 3, so each season I have goals that I want to accomplish, right? Yeah. And with each season, miraculously, all of those goals comes into fruition. So what I want to do for season 3 is develop those goals, but it's very important that I do not discuss those goals, because the goals that I aspire to have is like it's part of the universal law, right? So it already exists. So if I put it out there, there's some contrasting effects that can come to fruition. So it's through my actions, you will see the results of my goals, basically. And we're just having this very introspective conversation literally just now, and I just decided to whip out the camera. So today I'm just documenting the whole entire day for this season finale. I have a video shoot later tonight, so that should be fun. And yeah, let's get after it.
Later, guys.
You fucking trying to flex up on Tom? Tommy! Tommy! Woo!
Who are you talking about?
Brady, greatest alive. I'm going, baby.
Atlanta?
Atlanta, hot Atlanta, baby. Fly Falcons.
You ain't going, because there ain't no agents at the TSA in Atlanta. So it's gonna take you 4 hours to get out of the fucking airport.
Me and Jimmy are gonna drive.
Y'all not driving. You
I
don't
was
have
thinking
to
about it.
drive.
It's gonna be like a 22-hour drive.
Y'all will drive each other crazy if you drove to Atlanta.
I'd put podcasts on. We just put podcasts.
No, I bet money on that.
We start our own show.
Just
Go
a little
premiere in
announcement.
March.
Me and Pat are gonna start our own YouTube channel.
Oh, okay.
Everybody's been clamoring for us to have our own show.
Mm-hmm.
Now that neither one of
Bringing
us are,
racial tension to the weight room.
So now that neither one of us are afraid of the camera, we can display our personality in full bloom and blossom.
That's right.
For the world to see.
Oh.
So get ready for that. We got a podcast coming with me, your boy Caesar Gene.
Caesar Gene, baby.
Caesar Gene. And we got my boy Pat.
Quit half-assing those reps, Caesar Gene.
We're gonna call that podcast 3 the Hard Way. Oh, okay.
Call that the Oreo cookie.
We're gonna call that the Oreo cookie.
Double stuff now because I'm jacked.
We're gonna call that the Oreo cookie hour.
All right, so wait, hold up. Okay, so I've been meaning to do this freaking season finale forever.
Okay.
Remember I shot the season finale?
Yeah.
But I was sick. I was sick. So this is the season finale, guys. All right, this is episode 90. It's going up. I even recorded on the. All right, maybe next season 3 might have 100. Anyways, so peep this. I'm gonna do this quick little season finale wrap up because it's been on hold for a few days. I've even recorded in the snow, but then my audio was jacked, so I couldn't like get all of it done. Anyways, quick little wrap up, like some realizations, some obstacles, challenges that I encountered along the way. This season, although I didn't upload 90 videos in 90 consecutive days, twice this has happened. First time I was in Salt Lake City and the internet was down at my in-laws' house, so I wasn't able to upload, but I did upload all 3 videos on one day. I believe that was in the 80s. No, in the 70s. So you'll go back and find that. Also, like I was supposed to drop this episode last Thursday, but I came down with like the illest stomach bug in the world, and it was just god awful. So I was like basically stuck for 3-4 days. Now I recorded the season finale in the snow. I'll overlay it with me talking and all that stuff, but your boy audio wasn't, like, I had my wireless microphone, the Boya lavalier mic, and I didn't connect it properly, so that was a bust also. So tons of awesome things happened this season. I was able to put together my mastermind group, ton of projects that people trusted me with, and was just like, yo, C's, I need a videographer. You know, I need somebody to like help me build my brand using video. And that was a unsuspecting pivot for me. So I was able to take a bunch of those projects on, and it was awesome. So a lot of things happened off camera, which is what the whole seasons are about, right? Like building my businesses, developing myself personally, all of this awesomeness, awesome fun stuff, collaborating with other trainers. It's been epic stuff. So I'm super excited for what is in store for season 3. Some realizations that I've also had was, you don't have, like, YouTube is awesome, but majority of your business is going to come from outside of YouTube, right? And then also, look at this guy. Look at, yo,
You see the veins through it?
yo, you looking a little yoked too.
Trying, bro.
But yo,
Trying, bro.
Peep how short he is though.
Fuck you.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
Where?
This short ass doing things that my big ass shouldn't be able to do, right? But little do you know, I can keep up with his little ass.
What's this?
I outweigh him by about 100 pounds.
100.
I gotta hear all this shit
A
talk.
hornet,
about
a hornet.
260.
Yeah.
He's like, no.
So like so much collaborations to come, like with these 2 knuckleheads. Gonna be collaborating with them. Still building community with my mastermind group. Like, oh man, I just, like, literally there's nothing that I can say that's going to do justice for what's going on in my career right now. I just have to continue to take massive action and let my work and results speak for itself, right? That's all I could possibly do. Not going to keep this episode long because I am set to just drop it as soon as I'm done. So, man, oh yeah, and it's brick as hell. It's 5 degrees out. 5 degrees out right now. So Boston is just completely washed, and man. Anyways, for those of you who stuck with me for season 1 and season 2's conclusion, thank you so much. And I'm looking forward to serving you guys even more. So whatever it is that you want to know or learn about yourself, about your business, let me know so I can make content to tailor it just for you, because I am here to serve you, the community, all right? Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll holler at you at season 3, all right? Peace.